In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see time analysis reports in Google Calendar using your desktop. If you're like me, you probably rely heavily on Google Calendar to keep your schedule organized and to ensure you're not missing out on important events or tasks. The good news is that Google Calendar not only lets you lay out your day-to-day events effectively, but also gives you insights into how you're spending your time. Let's take a look at how you can navigate through your calendar to see an overview of your time analysis efficiently. To begin with, you need to open Google Calendar on your desktop. You can do this by heading to your browser, typing in the Google Calendar URL, or using a bookmark if you have one set up. Once your calendar is up and loaded, you'll often find yourself in the default viewing mode, which is usually set to either day, week, or month. This view is great for short-term planning and checking what's next on your agenda, but to dive deeper into how your time is distributed, we'll want to switch things up a bit. What you want to do next is switch to the schedule view. This is a particularly handy feature in Google Calendar that allows you to see a list of all your upcoming events in a linear format, which is perfect for time analysis. To do this, look at the top right of your calendar. You should see options like day, week, and month displayed prominently. Click on one of these options and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Schedule, and your calendar will rearrange to show you a chronological list of your events. Once in Schedule view, the next step is simply to scroll through your events. This will give you a manual overview of your schedule. As you scroll, you'll notice it feels like a timeline of your activities, providing an intuitive sense of how your days are structured and how much time you are dedicating to various tasks or appointments. This manual review is an effective way to gain insights into your time usage without any additional software or setups. You can identify patterns like which days are the busiest or what types of events are consuming the most of your time. By regularly visiting this schedule view and scrolling through your events, you'll not only stay on top of your commitments but also become more adept at managing your time. This type of self-analysis is valuable for anyone looking to boost productivity and maintain a balanced schedule. In conclusion, with just a few clicks in Google Calendar on your desktop, you can gain a clear understanding of your time allocation and make informed decisions about managing your schedule. Give it a try, and I'm sure you'll find it a useful tool in staying organized and efficient.